Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are doing a video today on how to install some side skirts on my Mini Cooper F56. We have the side skirts on the floor with us right now. We have already done them up to the car. We've trimmed them because they do come a little bit extra length, with a bit of extra length, so you can trim them down. I do apologise for the wind noise because we are currently in my carport right now and it acts as a wind tunnel. So yeah. You will need are 2x side skirts for your car. These are just a lightweight ABS plastic. You see I've had to trim them up here for the front mud flaps. You'll need a drill, the fitting kit which come with the side skirts, a jack just to jack it up to get it in the air so you can get the drill under. And as you can see, I've got my new wheels on, but I'll show you them at the end when the side skirts are on the car. As you can see with this install, it is fairly simple. So all you're required to do, jack the car up on one jacking point. Well, you should really put it on axle stands, but you can't because there is nowhere to locate it, because as soon as you put the axle stand on, then you're not going to get these skirts in. So what we'll do is we'll get her lined up, measure it into place, and that is literally all you can do. So it's basically, it's a bit hard to show you just myself. So you just line this up into place, get that sitting flush up there, measure it all the way down, and then just put the screws in on each place. What we'll do is we'll crack on with that now. So as you can see, with the car still on the axle stand, we've had to trim it here, so now that runs totally flush, and then we've had to trim it in here, so as you can see it sits in there totally flush now, and that's what it looks like. We wanted it to be in line with the mudguard, so it runs all the way down nice and even all the way to there. And that, guys, is exactly how you do it. You do the exact same for the other side. So all I've got in there is 5 screws with a washer, a big washer on, obviously holding the pressure, gone through, and then I've got 2 locating screws that I put in earlier. So that is exactly how you do it. I'm going to time lapse exactly the same on the other side so you can still see it. And then what I'll do is I'll pull the car out of the carport and show you with the new wheels, and let's see what it looks like. I know it was a short video of how to install the side skirts, and just a quick have a look at my new wheels. I absolutely love my wheels. They couldn't have come out any better. Fitment is perfect on the front. Could be a tiny little bit wider on the back, but I have got some tiny wheel spaces that I can potentially put in, but at the minute I don't see the point because the fitment on the back is just as good. Yeah, side skirts massively transformed the side of the profile of the car now. That day tie in with the front splitter and obviously the back diffuser, so I'm very happy with how the car has turned out. Just look at that. Absolutely brilliant. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video again. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Please feel free to share it with your family and friends if you want to, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one, whatever that may be. Just look at that. Absolutely unreal. Anyway, thanks again and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.